Hello, first graders. Today for your Wonders Read Workbook, you will be completing page 122 and page 123. This is page 122, and the directions say to match each sentence to the picture. So for 1 through 6, you'll need to read the sentences on your own, and then you'll need to match the sentence to the picture. If you need help, find somebody at home or hop onto my WebEx and I can help you with the sentences. For page 123, the directions say to use the words in the box to complete the sentences. So you'll read each one of those words in the box and you'll apply the strategies that we have used this week for soft C, soft D, soft G, and DGE. So you'll read those sentences 1 through 5 and fit the correct word in the sentence.